Okay, and you already know that today's boot camp is going to be a very wonderful adventure for us, where we are going to learn about AI, right? So let's start our webinar now. Okay, guys. So first of all, I'll share my screen, and please let me know if my screen is visible or not by just giving a thumbs up. Okay. Okay. So here we go. So, today we are going to learn about artificial intelligence and machine learning, right? So, I hope you all are excited to learn about these things as we already know these are very essential to learn nowadays, right? So, first of all, I just would like you to watch this video, and after that, we will start our webinar, okay?
They have transitioned from the pages of novels and the scenes of movies into our everyday reality. They are part of our world, seamlessly integrating into our daily routines and activities. From our homes to our workplaces, robots are changing how we live. They are revolutionizing industries and transforming domestic life. They perform tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or providing companionship, robots are here to help. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of robots in our everyday lives. Discover how they are enhancing our experiences and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Robots are becoming more common, appearing in places we frequent daily. We see them in our homes, assisting with chores, and even playing with our children, at work, collaborating with us on tasks and in public spaces, providing services and information. This is just the beginning. The potential for robots is vast and ever expanding. As technology advances, robots will play even larger roles in our lives, becoming indispensable partners in our journey towards a smarter, more efficient future. Imagine waking up to the smell of coffee brewed by a robot. Robot vacuums clean the floors while we sleep. Smart speakers play our favorite music on demand. Home robots are already here, making our lives more comfortable. Robots can help us with chores. They can mow the lawn, fold laundry, and even care for our pets. This frees up our time for other activities. We can spend more time with loved ones or pursue hobbies. Robots are transforming industries from manufacturing to healthcare, revolutionizing the way we work and live. In factories, robots perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency. This boosts productivity and lowers costs, allowing companies to produce more while spending less. In hospitals, robots assist surgeons with delicate procedures, providing a steady hand and reducing the risk of human error. This improves accuracy and patient outcomes, leading to faster recovery times and better overall health. Robots can work in dangerous environments, taking on tasks that would be too risky for humans. They can explore the depths of the ocean, gathering data and making discoveries that were previously impossible, or clean up hazardous waste, ensuring that toxic materials are handled safely and efficiently. This keeps human workers safe from harm, reducing the risk of injury and creating a safer work environment. Robots are also used in logistics and delivery services. They transport goods efficiently, reduce delivery times, and streamline operations, making the supply chain more effective. Section 4. Robots for a better future. Robots.
Okay. So I guess after watching this video, you guys got some ideas like what we are talking about in the artificial intelligence, right? As you already watched, there was a lot of different kind of robot where they were working in different areas, like working as a home working in a medical industry, working in a space organization. So there were many fields. There are robots are working. Robots which are having advanced AI and machine learning within them. Okay. So first of all, let's discuss our agenda for today. Today we are going to learn about what is AI and machine learning, why they matter today, and then we will have some real example of AI. After that, what we will do an hands-on activity on Google Teachable machine, which will help you to which will help you to get some more idea about the machine learning. And then I will tell you about some free AI tools that you guys can explore and use in your real life course. Okay, so here we go. First of all, why do we need AI and machine learning? uh, can anybody give me the answer why it is very important in our real life to have the AI and ML nowadays? Just write down your answer in your comment section, please. Write down your answer and we will see who have given the best answer. Yeah, I know all the answers are the best from your side, but still we will have some idea how much you know about the AI and machine learning from the beginning. Guys, write down your answer faster in the comment section. I'm waiting over there. Yeah, okay. Write down your answer faster. Okay. So here we go for the importance of AI in machine learning. First of all, it solves our real life problems, real world problems. Like nowadays, we always get the prediction of climates, like whether it is going to be a rain today or going to be a sunny day. So we already know about that and we prepare ourselves just like that. So here we use some AI where we can directly predict the climate just looking at the environment and all. Okay, also detect disease early. Disease how? Because we have so many AI robots over here which can detect your disease at early phases and we can cure your disease right on at time. Also boost farming, and there are many more examples there where we are using the real world problems, just like you guys are using ChatGPT for your homework, right? I think most of you are using that thing, right? Also, the second thing, whenever we are having a technology advancement, that means the only purpose is that to make our life more easier. So right now we are having the AI and machine learning in very advanced mode so that we can make our life more easier, right? You have some Google Assistants, Siri, Alexa, which are making your life more easier. Yeah, making your daily life chores all more easier. Also empowering the next generation. You already know, you can imagine if AI machine learning is going through all the world in all the working sector areas, how our world will look like, right? I think most of you have watched the videos like Transformer, robots, and Terminator also, right? So at there you can have some ideas how it is going to be look like. So now let's talk about our next slide. Here, I have a good question for you. Just write down your answer in the comment section. What makes you intelligent? I think all of you know this answer. If someone is telling you that humans are intelligent, then tell me what makes us intelligent. Write down your answer in the comment section. Faster, I'm waiting over here. No replies? I think you guys already know what makes us intelligent, don't you? Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. Okay, here we go. So, how we are intelligent, what makes us intelligent? Like, we have the ability to learn. We learn something new. very fast. Like if someone is telling me that this color is red and this color is blue, then we will be able to learn those things, that next time whenever I will be seeing a color that is similar to red, then I will be saying that this color is red. Why? Because I have learned that, right? Also understand, gain certain skills that help us in making decisions. Also, you must have seen that sometimes you already have to make the decisions, right? At that time you have that ability to understand the situation, to observe all the circumstances around you, and then you will be able to making the decisions. This is the best part that make us intelligent. After that, learn from experience, right? You must have seen that in childhood your parents have told you that you do please don't touch the hot things, otherwise you will burn your hand, right? But also we are the child, so most of you have tried that, right? You must have touched something hot, some hot pan or pressing irons also. And then when you get your hand burnt, then you got to know that no, this is a dangerous thing. Fire is a dangerous thing. We shouldn't touch anything which is hot, or we shouldn't touch the fire. Here we are learning from the experience, right? Now you got the experience. That's why you know the fire is dangerous. Now, the next point is adapt to new situation. We have the ability to adapt the new situations, like changing the weather whenever, yeah. In India, we have different type of weathers. Like right now in Delhi, we are having a sunny day in the morning and a rainy day in the evening. So here we are adapting ourselves, right? So this is the situation which makes us intelligent. Now let's talk about what is artificial intelligence. Here AI refers to machine that mimics human intelligence. Like I just told you that we have the ability to understand, to learn, to make decisions. So in AI we are just trying to make the machine to mimic the human intelligence. Whatever we are doing, we just want a machine to do the same. What is AI? We can just read it out. It can reason, learn from experience, solve complex problems, and even comprehend and communicate in human language. Like you must have heard about the Sophia, the first news reporter, which is a robot, right? So she can directly communicate with us in a human language, in spite of being a robot. That is the way where we are making the machine more advanced with AI, right? Here they are learning from the experience. They will not make the same mistakes that they have made just because they have some experience now. They can solve the complex problem. Like if I'm having a problem which takes me to solve 3 or 4 days, a robot can solve that problem in less than 1 minute, right? That's why they are more smarter right now. And some of the examples like Siri, you must have seen the Siri and Alexa. Whenever we are saying something to them, they will be giving you the answer in the human language also. They will predict your mood, whether you are sad, whether you are happy. And then when you will ask them to play a song, they will be playing a song according to your mood. This is the AI where they are making the difference by observing you, by learning from the experience. Also, you must have heard about the self-driving car that Tesla just launched. Here, you don't need to drive your car. The car can predict it directly, the direction, the obstacles, each and everything it can predict, and it can self-drive their car. You already know the driving car is needs more attention, more focus, and it is very difficult to learn about driving for the human. We always suggest that you should learn driving after 18, right? But we are having a self-driving cars right now, which is driving all the cars by themselves, just observing the circumstance. Also, one more example, Netflix recommendation system. If you watch any movie in a genre of thriller, we can say, or horror, the next time the suggestion you will be having in the same genre, they will be suggesting you more movies in the horror genre, right? Though here's the real life examples. We just talk about Siri, Alexa. Same Netflix recommendations also includes in YouTube, Instagram. where you guys are having all these things. Whatever you are watching over there, they will observe your recommendation things, what you like, which genre you like, and they will recommend you the same thing again. Also, face recognition. I believe that most of you have face lock in your phone, right? Whenever you are showing your phone, your face to your phone will be unlocked. How? Because it can recognize your face. It can just remember your face. That's why it is face recognition system in your phone. Also, games. Yeah, we are having a lot of games right now where we play the games with the bots. Like if there is a game where two players are needed, right? So in the previous era, we need a friend who can play with us that game. But now we have bots where we can directly play that particular game with the computers. And the computers can beat the humans in the games also. I think you must have played the Ludo with the computer or bot, right? So, I think AI is clear. Now we will move towards the machine learning that I just showed you the video, right? Here some the students are raising their hands. So I think you must have some doubts. So I will make clear that we will be having a question and answer session after this webinar, and you can ask all your questions over there. So please write down for your doubts and questions for now, and when we will be having a question and answer session, then you can just write down your questions in the comment section and I will be giving all the answers. Okay, so here we go. Machine learning is what a branch of AI, right, which enables the computer to learn from the data, whatever the data you are giving. Just I just gave you the example of phone face recognition, right? Here, whenever you are setting up face lock, you have to give the data by clicking your pictures, by showing your face, right? After that it learns, and then whenever you are showing your face, he has remembered your face, then it can recognize you easily, and then your phone will be unlocked. So this is the machine learning where we can teach it without doing any complex programming over there. So how machine learning works? Guys, whenever you are having any doubt or any queries, now please write down in the comment section and we can solve it out later. Okay. So here we have four steps over here for the machine learning. First of all, data collection. We need to give the good data more related to the content that we want our machine to detect. Then it will process the data, like it will clean, organize according to that, and check for the errors if there are any. After that, it will train the model, like classification wise. Like if I am teaching that, also, one more thing, in a face lock, you might have find that two or three people can set their face lock in single mobile phone. Also, as for the fingerprint as well, two or three people can just give their fingerprint data and they can operate their mobile phone. So here in the model training, we have some just classification. Like if two people are using the same mobile phone and having the fingerprint lock, both of them have given the finger lock data, right? So now the model training will sort it out for both of them, which one was which fingerprint. Okay. And after model training, whenever they will be giving their fingerprint to the mobile phone, it will detect whether it is a person one or the person two, and then it will unlock the phone according to that. And the last thing is prediction and evaluation. Here we will be testing on the models, and will make sure that the model is trained accurately and detecting all the things perfectly, right? Now here we comes, now we are going to do some hands-on activity. So guys, I would like you to perform this activity side by side with me, right? You can simply just open your Chrome, and then we will be doing this activity. So here we go. This is the Google Teachable machine. Here you can train your model by giving this data, and then you can predict those things. Today we are going to perform two activities over here. First one is object classification and second one is finger counting. In image classification, we will be making our machine to detect two type of different objects. Like if I am showing one thing, then it will detect that thing, and if I'm showing second thing, then it will detect and tell me which thing is that. Okay, and in finger counting we will be showing our fingers in the camera, and it will be showing what is the number of my fingers I have shown. So these are the two activities that we are going to perform right now. So I just would like you to perform the same with me. Here in Teachable, it is a web based tool that creates machine learning model move so fast. So you don't have to do any kind of complex programming over here. You just have to give your data. Here we have three steps over here. One is gather. Gather means having all the data, collecting all the data, then train the model and then export. Export means when your model is trained, you can use that particular modeling in any other projects as well. Okay, this is the benefit of having the Google Teachable. Now, here we go. First of all, you have to go to the Chrome. Here, search for Google Teachable Machine. Here. Now click on the first link. Here you will be finding the link for it. This is the Google Teachable machine where we will be doing our activity. If you guys find any difficulty to find this link, please let me know over the comment section and I will help. Okay, from here, click on Get Start. I'm just going to make a new project over here. We will be doing a image. We will be doing a image project. So I just want to make a new activity over here, new project. Here we go. So here it is asking for class 1, class 2. As I already told you that I am going to make it detect two different objects. So I am having these two classes. If you want to detect more than two class, then you can add the classes over here. So first of all, I will make it detect a pen. So I have decided to give the name pen to this class. Now here I need to give the data. I have two options over here, whether I am willing to give the data by using the webcam or by uploading them. So if you are using a PC, you can just download a picture from the Chrome and then you can upload it. But if you are using a webcam or if you are using your laptop, you can directly use the webcam over here and then you can just show all the things to your camera. And here it is telling me to hold a record. So if I want this pen I will to give the data. So here, okay. One more thing I would like to tell you, like if you want your model to be more accurate, the more data that you give, the best it is. Like if I'm giving a data to the pen, I will make sure that I am clicking all the pictures by zooming in, zooming out, left, right, all the things, so that the model can understand whenever it is seeing something like that, it can detect that yeah, it is a pen. It can classify easily. Okay, so make sure you are clicking enough pictures for it or uploading enough pictures of it. Okay, so here we go. I am giving it different kind of data. Look, I have clicked 200 pictures over here. I think that's enough for us. Now the second thing that I am going to detect is remote. Here I have a AC remote, so I will be detecting my AC remote over here. So here we go. I will be showing it from each and every aspect, left, right, zoom in, zoom out, upside down. Okay. The more data you will be giving, the more accurate your model will be. Here we go. I have given 261 image samples over here. Now, data collection is done, right? Now we will be training our model, which is our second step. Yeah, now it will take some time to train the model as I have given enough data to it, like 208 pictures in the pen class and 261 images in remote. Now, look how fast it has done it, right? Now, when I will be showing it my remote, look, it has detected 100% accuracy because I have given the much data. Look, if I show it from anywhere, it will detect 100%. Why? Because I have given the data from each and every side, right? You can see this. Just let me know if you can see this just by raising a hand, right? And now I want to detect this pen. So it is detecting the pen. So this is how we perform an activity. This activity was object detection, right? So here we go. Now when I am showing the remote, it is detecting the remote with 100% accuracy. And when I am showing my pen, it is detecting the pen with 100% accuracy. So, okay, just confirm if you have performed this activity with me side by side by telling me done in the comment section. Write down done in comment section, and then I will be knowing that you are also performing the same activity with me. Just write down done in the comment section if you have done this activity or you have successfully performed this activity. Yeah, it's not like you always have to give 200 pictures over here. When you are uploading the pictures, you can give 4 to 5 pictures. Look, I was using the camera, that's why I just hold it and uploaded more than 200 pictures so that I can attain the perfect accuracy. In the pictures that you will be uploading, that means it will be having a accurate angle, right? So if you upload 2 to 3 pictures, then it can directly detect. Okay, and because I was using the camera, that's why I have clicked more pictures so that I can show it from different angle, like the front angle, back angle, left side, right side, so it can detect perfectly because I have turned on my camera, right? So you don't have to click 200 pictures. It is the suggestion for myself. Okay, now for the export, from here you can export your model and you can copy this link and you can use this model trained model link anywhere. In the next session, the second part we will be having next week, there I will be teaching you how to use this link and where to use this link. Okay, as for now, I'm just telling you that we can export this model by using this link. So make sure you are joining the next session as well, which we are going to conduct next week. Okay. And those who will be joining both of the session, like today's one and the next week's one, then we will be providing a participation certificate. So make sure your attendance is over there also. So this is the link, and this link we will be using next time. Where with a different platform where you will be making your own project. Okay. Now, let's make our new project, which is going to be finger counter. Here, this is my finger counter activity. So, I will be showing only one hand. So, for one hand, I will be making 5 classes for one. Okay. Here, I will be showing it one from different angles. Zoom in, zoom out, like this. Okay. I have given enough data. Now for 2, I will be making a new class for 2. Here I will be showing 2 fingers. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, I think this is enough. Now for 3, we will be adding a class. It is for the 3 fingers. Okay, let's do one thing. We will be writing here 1 finger. It will make it more easier to understand. 2 finger. This class is 3 finger. Okay, so here. So as for the next class that we are going to have next week, we will be giving you the registration link and you have to register yourself, and the same procedure will be done in the same next session. You will be having your meeting link in your mail ID after you register. Okay. So here we go. 3 fingers. I wanted to detect my 3 fingers. Enough data. Next class. 4 fingers. Here I will be holding 4 fingers like this. I will be showing it. And then the last one. 5 fingers. Done. Here we go. Done. Now we will be train our model. Yeah, as I have shown you that I have taken multiple pictures over here. Like in some activities, I have taken more than 100. In some activities, I have taken more than 150. Right? So the more data you will be giving, the more accuracy you will be attaining in your model training. So make sure you are giving more data. I'm not telling that if you want to make this activity, you always have to show your you always have to give 200 pictures, but it is just a suggestion right now. Now here we go. I will showing 1 finger. Here we got the 100% accuracy. 2 finger. Yeah, in 3 finger we are having 100% accuracy. 4 finger. And here we go. 5 fingers. 1 finger. 2 fingers. I think I haven't given the enough data for 2 fingers. For 3 fingers. 4 fingers. 5 fingers. So this is how you can perform all the activities over here, right? Train your model more accurately. Yeah, also make sure your internet connection is very strong, because in AI and machine learning, we always require the high speed data and a strong Wi-Fi connection. So if you are having any glitches or if you are having any network issue, then it can be possible that your model is not giving all the data perfectly. Okay. So this was our second activity, which was finger counting activity. So today we performed these 2 activities over here where we trained our model. Now here also you can export this model, and also you can just make it switch off. Just give me a minute. I think I'm having some network issue. Yeah, here it is. Now this is the link that you guys can use for any other activities, for any other projects, because you have already trained your model and you have done the testing as well. It is already showing that preview. So here I am testing it, sir. if it is not very accurate, then we can edit it from here and we can give more data to all the activities. Okay, so make sure you are joining the next session, because there I will be telling you how to utilize this model, trained model link. Okay, so there we will be making a project over there. Now let's move to our next slide. Okay, Google Teachable is done. We have done two activities. Now let's discuss something about free AI tools. I think some of you must have heard most of them. So we have Gamma to make the AI presentations in a more less than a minute. ChatGPT, I think you guys already using ChatGPT for your homework, right? Canva with AI tools for doing all the AI things like just converting text into the image, making a presentation more beautifully, magic write, design suggestions. You will be having templates over there with the AI. Also, we have Quillbot, which can rephrase, paraphrase, and summarize your uh, paragraph like and so it can find the grammatical mistake as well, and if you want your paragraph more casual, more formal, more standard, it can paraphrase according to your need. Also, deep L translator, this AI translation tool make you to understand traditional tools. Okay, here it is written AI translator that understand context better than traditional tools. So the traditional tools we are having right now, it can make it more easier for us to utilize them, to use them. So I'll just show you some examples how to use them. We will be doing it a bit faster because we don't have that much time. First of all, I'll just go to ChatGPT and let's say I need to make a PPT over photosynthesis for grade 6. Okay, so here I will be asking write a prompt for making a presentation, PowerPoint presentation. The more accurate prompt you will be giving, the more that accurate output you will be getting. Okay, so make sure the prompt should be always accurate. What write a prompt for making a PowerPoint presentation on photosynthesis for grade 6. Here we go.
ये कौन है? कौन है मेरे पास है?
Now we got the prompt,
पास में
right?
पास नहीं नहीं यार इसका नंबर तू लग रही है पूरी इसका नंबर दो इसका नंबर है इनका इसका कार्टून को छोड़ दो साइड जो क्या है देखा तो कुछ नहीं को मेरा आंसर एक जो सुना से हाँ बस ऐसे तो ऐसे होता था तो इसमें पानी लगा रहता है बस करता है तो अच्छी लगती है वो बस बना
Okay, so here I was showing you this is the prompt. I'll just copy this prompt from here. Okay, and now we will be going to the Gamma. Here we go. This is our Gamma AI app from where we will be preparing a presentation just in less than 1 minute. Okay, so it is a free AI tool, so you can utilize it very well whenever like the last moment PPT session, whenever we are having that. Now I need to present a PPT and I haven't made it because yesterday I was playing a game. Now what you can do is you can just prepare this thing in 5 minutes. Here, create new, paste in text. I'll just paste all the text over here. Okay, now it will be asking what do you want to do with this context, whether you want to generate notes, whether you want to summarize long text or preserve this exact text. So I will preserve it, continue to prompt. Here we go. Now it is asking for us generate. Here I have told that we need it for the student, sixth grade student. Then we are having a tone over here, like it should be fun, clear, and informative. We will continue, and from here I can decide template. Like if I would like to have this template, just example. Now I will generate. Here we go. Now it will be generating a PPT in less than a minute and with all the good graphics, good context, and also it will generate some AI images as well, like this one. It has already generated the AI image. Here you go. Look how wonderful this PPT is looking like, right? Also, if you find something more brief or concise, so you can edit this PPT as well. You can edit all the context from here. Okay, so this is how you can utilize the AI free AI tool to utilize in your daily life chores. Okay, from here you can download it. Like I will be going to export, and if you want to download it as PDF, as PowerPoint, Google Slide, or PNGs, whatever you would like, you can download it directly. Okay, so this was the ChatGPT and Gamma. As for the other AI tools, I would like you to explore these tools. And in the next session, when we will be meeting again next week, then you guys will be telling me how to operate these AI tools. Okay. So, as for now, we will move towards here we go. Yeah. Before question and answer session, now I just want to give you one more very wonderful and amazing thing. Here, like most of you have joined robotics lab in your school, right? Also, most of you have joined ATL labs in your school, clubs also. There, your teacher might have asked you to prepare some project, some innovative project. You must have participated in inter-school competitions, national competitions, and you will be requiring more ideas. So, what you do, you just directly go to the Google, ask the ideas, and there you have to just click on multiple websites and exploring all the things. And if you don't have that much time, that it will be a disaster for you, right, guys? So here we are. First of all, we will be going to the STEM Robo's website, okay? And then I just show you that we are going to the impact. Here, this is the website. I will be sharing it to you, the website over the Teams to you guys. Here we go. This is the link you can utilize for your reference. Here you can see we have different categories of projects, like we have some robotics project over here, IoT project, AI project, machine learning, and many more. Like I'll just show you one of them, like Techno Scarecraft. So I will just open it. Here you can find the video, the software you will be required, hardware you will be required, the components that you required, how to connect those components, the circuit diagram, and the most interesting thing, you will be finding the code as well. So it can make your project more easier for you to prepare it. Okay, so this is some of the example you can utilize. You can use these projects not to copy them but to enhance them as well. Like if I have this project and you got some more ideas to enhance this project, so you can utilize this thing. But first of all, you have to have some ideas to modify, right? So to have these type of ideas, you can just go to the impact in STEMrobo's website, and you can just directly watch any video, you can access to any code, circuit diagrams, each and everything is over there. We have multiple projects. Also, one more interesting thing for you guys, like I have STEMrobo have uploaded a lot of projects over here. So we are giving you the opportunity to share your project with us so that we can upload your project with your name over here also on our platform, where all the students will be watching your projects and will be giving you the appreciations and all the comments. So how you are going to upload those projects over our website? What you have to do is you have to give us your project detail. We will be sharing a format to you in the next webinar. You have to share your project details in that particular format. Okay, and then you have to share it with us over the mail. That mail id we will be giving you in the next session. Okay, and once we find your project details, we will prepare all the things over there and we will upload your project in this STEM Robo Impact with your name, with your credits. So whenever every student will be going through your project, they will be able to know that you have done this project, you have made this project, and it will be a good popularity for you also, right? Yeah, one more thing. As for today's session, those student who wants to see this session again or doesn't have any doubts and wants to clear again this doubt while watching these video of webinar, then you can directly go to our STEM Robo website, YouTube. You can directly go to our YouTube channel. I'll just show you. Here we go. On YouTube, you just have to search for STEM Robo Technologies Private Limited, and here you go. You will be able to access our channel, and from here you will be finding our video of today's session. Here you can find more sessions also that was done previously, and this one will be uploaded here also. Okay, so make sure you guys are having these things with you to make your life more easier. Just I told you in the beginning that technology is to make your life more easier, right? So now we don't have any time for now. What I want to tell you is make sure you are performing all the activities that I told you, I taught you. Also, please explore one more platform over here, which is AI Connect, which we are going to work on in our next session. Okay. So this is the website for the AI Connect. I would like you to explore about it more so that when next time when we will be performing an activity over here, you should have some idea so that you can understand it more better. Okay. So this is your homework, guys. Now let's have a question and answer session right now. Just tell me if you are having any query, any questions. Write down your questions in comment section and I will be giving you all the answers. Here we go. I think some of you have already asked here. Okay, and we also have some comments in the comment section. Does the Google Teachable work only on PC? No, it can work on your mobile phone as well, on your laptop, on your tabs as well. So you don't have to worry about whatever you are using because as for the PC, you are having the upload option, and as for the laptop and web cameras, you are having an option for webcam. So you can utilize both of them. What is HW homework? Okay, what is DeepL? Yeah, for DeepL, this is for you guys to explore. In the next session, I will be telling you. But as for now, this is the homework for you. You have to explore about it more. Then in the next session, when I will be telling you, I will be asking you some questions. Then we will see who have done their homework before attending the class. Okay. Can you explain again the meaning of AI? Okay. So look, we don't have that much time, but I will conclude it in 2 minutes. Okay. So here we go. We talked about what is makes us intelligent, right? So ability to learn, understand, and gain certain skills, learning from experience. So as for the AI, we want it from this also. Like I want AI to behave like a human, to mimic like a human intelligence. Look, I will be giving an example. Like you don't have any sibling. Just suppose and you want to play with someone, not with your mobile phone because you are uh, using it too much and now you have lost your interest in the mobile phone. Now you want someone to play with you and you don't have much friends. At that time, what if I bought you a humanoid robot which looks like exactly look like human, talk to you just like a human, play with you just like a human? Doesn't it feel amazing, right? You will be having some amazing things with you, right? So same for the AI, we are making it more advanced so that whenever we will be needing some robots for the experiments or to explore something where there can be the danger of human life. Like if I'm talking about the Mars, we are having some project over the Mars, right? But we don't know what kind of environment it is having. We don't know if it can be harmful for the human life. So as for now, we are sending our robots there to observe the situation, to detect all the things, whether it is good for human life or not. If it is not good, then the human life cannot be go there, right? So that's why we are having these type of robots to execute these things. We are making them more intelligent. Like if a human is not going with them over the Mars, so they can do their work over there what they are supposed to do, like observing the environment, testing their soil, what kind of soil they are having right now. These are the things they can do there by themselves. That's why we are having the AI right now. Okay. What is the homework? Okay. As for the homework, I told you to explore more AI tools. Okay. And also, you have to explore about AI Connect. This is the AI Connect. I'm sharing the link with you, and you can explore this so that in the next session, whenever we will be using this Connect platform to perform some activities, you guys will be having. Yeah, can we use AI to earn money? Yeah, that's a very interesting question, you know. Yes, you can use AI to earn money. Right now, many more workers are using AI and earning a lot of money. Do you know how? But for that, you have to study. It's not like if you are not graduating and using AI, you will be earning money. That's not a thing because always in MNCs, you will be having some criteria or some eligibility criteria. Okay. So as for now, we have one interesting job right now, the data analyst, or we can say data scientist, where they are using AI all over the AI and they are making money, a lot of money. You cannot even think using Power BI and using AI. There are a lot of things like that. Okay. So yes, you can just earn the money, but you have to learn about it more. Also, make sure you are using it ethically. That is also important. Okay. What is Gamma? Yeah, Gamma is the AI tool to prepare some PPT. Like if you are having a last moment chance where you need to prepare a PPT in 5 minutes and so you can use the PPT over there and you can use the Gamma to generate the PPT in less than 1 minute. Okay. How does a robot learn to do task? By using the machine learning. Look, AI is what mimicking the humans. AI are also in our mobile phone as well. Like you have already seen about Siri, right? Whenever you are asking Siri, hey Siri, call Papa or call Mama, so it will be calling your mother, father automatically. This is also AI, but it is not learning something. It is just recognize my speech and then behaving like that. That is not machine learning. For machine learning, I have already given you the example, learning from the past experience. I told you about the fire example, right? The fire is dangerous. How do we know? By experience. In the machine, we also give them some tasks, and if they perform it wrong, then we will teach them that this is not a correct way. You have to perform it like this, and there you go. Here we will be teaching them about the machine learning. Like if I am telling that, okay, this is a pen. I'm telling them this is a pen by showing it, right? So the next time, whenever I will be telling them that this is a pen, it can easily detect. This is the machine learning. Okay. Also, the next question we are having, does a strong AI require embodiment of physical body to fully understand and interact with world like humans? Not at all. You can directly chat with GPT. Chat GPT is not a physical body, right? It is in your phone. It is a AI tool, which is a virtual thing. You cannot see it, you cannot touch it, but still it can talk to you just like a human, right? So it doesn't need any physical body to do a AI thing to use the AI. Okay. Then the next question is, on which day is the next session? We will be telling you. We will be sharing all the registration link with you. Okay. What is the project? In the next project we will be finding out. That is a surprise for you for now. Okay. Is AI emotional sometimes? Please answer. As for now, we don't have that much emotional thing. But yeah, we have some of the models like a pet which is showing some expressions over their face according to the behavior, our behavior. That is the emotional thing we are including in AI right now. Like I have seen a YouTube video where they were having a pet. So whenever you are petting it, the face expression is changing on that particular pet. That means they are having the emotions right now. So we are working on that, and technology is getting faster. Let's see if you guys will be having a robotic pet or not in the future. Okay. Can AI replace doctors and diagnose patients accurately? Yeah, look, as for the replacement, I wouldn't say that the AI will be replacing the doctor, but we can say AI can enhance the work of a doctor. Like using the AI, the doctor can perform their work more efficiently. Like in the previous era, when we didn't have that kind of technology, it was very difficult to perform the surgeries and all. It took more than 48 hours for a doctor. And being a human being, uh, working continuously for 40 hours is very tiring, and it can make cause severe accidents, right? So using the AI, the doctor can make their work more comfortable and more accurate. So I will not say that AI can replace doctor, but we can say AI can help doctors to improve their work and to make their work more comfortable. Doing the right diagnosis, like in the previous era we didn't have any these type of things where we can predict if a person is having a symptoms or having a disease in their pre-stage. Now we have more AI tools using which we can predict if a person is having a disease. So we can detect it at a pre-stage, and we can cure it. Okay. So that's how ChatGPT can be worked in medical sector also. Okay. Look, now it is already past 5 and we have already some time limit over here. So as for the next questions, we will be having these type of questions in our next session, which is going to be next week. So make sure you guys join that also so that you guys can have your certificate. Also, we will continue this session, this interesting journey that we have started. So we will be performing some activities over there using the Google Teachable that I taught you today. Okay, so make sure you join them. As for now, let's end this event over here. We will meet again next week. Hope you guys will be available that day and you will be joining there. Okay, bye bye.